In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on chess.com. Whether you're new to online chess or just looking to communicate better during your games, understanding how to use the chat feature can enhance your playing experience. Let's dive into this process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to chess.com. Open your preferred web browser and type chess.com into the address bar, which will take you to the home page of the website known for providing free chess games and a remarkable online community. Once you're on the chess.com homepage, look for the login option, which is conveniently located in the left middle section of the page. It usually comes as a button saying login, making it easy to spot. Clicking this will lead you to the sign in page. You'll see fields asking for your username and password. Enter these details accurately to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, consider doing so to personalize your experience and keep track of your progress on the site. For those who prefer an even quicker login process and have linked their chess.com account with other platforms, there's an option to log in using Google, Apple or Facebook. Simply click on the respective button that corresponds to the platform you've connected with chess.com. Once you've logged in, you'll be back at the home page. Look towards the top section of the page and click on play. This will direct you to the game interface where you can start or join a chess match. Here you might want to click on play online to challenge other players around the globe. Now, engaging with others during a game adds a social dimension that many players enjoy. You'll find the chat icon at the bottom right of the game screen. This handy tool allows you to communicate with your opponent. Clicking on it will open the chat window where you can type and send messages. For those moments when you want to express quickly without typing, chess.com offers an array of emojis. These are perfect for sending small bites of emotion or making a friend smile in a tense game. Just select the emoji option, scan through the available choices and click to send. And there you have it, a seamless way to chat on chess.com during your online games. Whether you're complimenting a good move, asking for a rematch, or just expanding your chess circle, chatting is a great way to enhance your chess experience. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now equipped to make the most of your time on chess.com. Happy playing and don't forget to share your gaming experiences in the comments below.